All right, here we're asked to prove that angle AEC is congruent to angle DEB. That's what we're given. We're going to prove angle AEB is congruent to angle DEC. All right, so start with what you're given, okay? And after that, we would like to use that congruent statement, but now we get the measurement of that congruent statement, okay? From there, we can use the angle addition postulate to add things together, right? Okay, so we add the measurement of 1 plus 2. That's going to be giving us AEC. Measurement of 2 plus 3 is going to be giving us DEB, right? Then after that, we can then make some substitution. So I can then replace the DEB with AEC. Then from there, we can use the reflexive property. Angle 2 is equal to angle 2. So therefore, we can now make another subtraction property, or you can say addition property, up to you. We're minusing angle 2 from both sides. Then you use the transitive property. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, because we know angle 1 is equal to angle 2, 2 is equal to 3. So take out the 2 part. That's how you get angle 3. Then from there, we use the congruency statement to get it back to the angles being congruent. All right. Now, let me visually show you some things to note here. Okay. First of all, this should not have, let's see, where was it? This should not have a squiggly line. Okay. This establishes the equation here. Okay. Then you have to use angle addition postulate to get things equal. Then this gets replaced with this. Okay, that's the substitution that is occurring. You need the reflex. You need this to do this. The addition. Or you could say subtraction. It's up to you. Because the addition, you're adding an angle, which is the same thing as adding a negative angle. Up to you. Addition property or subtraction property, same issue. Then you could say substitution here if you want. You can say substitution. It's still okay. Because what is happening is this is going to be equal to that. Okay, and this is the middle part that gets removed. Then you get it back into the geometry by using the definition here. Okay.